All right, everybody, welcome to my channel again. My name is Solomon, and today we'll be talking about this one system every YouTuber use to blow up their channel. I know you don't want to waste time to know all of these things, so you better stick with me till the end of this video, because the end of this video is the reason why you are not getting, probably are not getting subscribers, and other YouTubers or other content creators are getting subscribers, even when their content seems to be less of a quality than your own. Is that interesting? How interesting. This one system, this one strategy, every single YouTuber use. Let's say Mr. Beast, we name them, whoever it is you think is a YouTuber, Think Media, all of them, they use this one strategy to make sure that their channel gets to you and that you watch the video from beginning to the end. But you don't know that they are using that tricks on you. It's a trick and it's a strategy and it is a system. All right, so I'm going to be starting from one of them, one system like this. And before we go into that details, please, if you are watching our video for the first time, please consider subscribing now so that you can see whenever we upload. And of course, we upload regularly here on our channel. From this month, January till December 2025, there is not going to be any scarcity of content on this channel, as we already have made all the content that you need, all the content you need to stay on this channel throughout this year. So you are in our university right now and you are going to love it. You are definitely going to love it. So today we're going to be telling you these few strategies, only 6 of them, 6 ways YouTubers keep you on their channel. You too should learn that and keep YouTube content consumers on your channel. And that way you know, of course, you know, on YouTube, traffic is equal to what? Money. So if you keep people on your channel, you're probably going to make a lot of money. Of course, there's no way you're not going to make money when you are generating traffic on YouTube. So that's why I'm making this video for you. So make sure you watch this video to the end. One, the first thing you need to do as a YouTuber, whenever you want to click that recording button, make sure you know what your hook is all about. Let me explain. What is this hook? There is something we call content hook, right? When you're making a YouTube video. And it's not limited to YouTube video alone. Whatever conversation it is you're going to be having with someone, there is definitely going to be a point of introduction, right? When you are going to be starting that conversation. Okay, let me just ask you, have you ever had a conversation with someone and from the beginning, from the moment they open their mouth to tell you about what their conversation is going to be, you are already hungry, you are eager to know what the end is going to be like? That's a nice hook in conversation. They've hooked your attention. You know, that attention grabbing introduction. You know, there's a say that the way people see you, the first impression, right? First impression determines the longevity of your relationship with anyone. Your first impression determines the longevity of your relationship with everyone. And in content creation, it's not different. Your first impression is king. Is the king of the content we are making. And it's funny that a whole lot of YouTubers don't know this. So they'll click their button. That's me being boring now. So don't think this content is about to go boring. To let you know how it happens. Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing something very amazing, and you know what that means, and the list go on and on and on. So that is how YouTubers sometimes chase people off their channel, and you don't want to do that. Your content hook is very, very important. And the second one, of course, is also important. If you're having a conversation with someone and that conversation seems to be meaningless to you, would you spend your time listening to that meaningless stories? Of course, no one would. Your time listening to that person. You will not waste your time listening to that person. In a second, you will leave. In a bit, you will leave. So the second thing is, what problem is your content solving, right? Not saving. What problem is your content solving? Every video on YouTube is meant to solve a particular problem. By the time your own video is not solving any problem, but creating that boredom kind of problem for your viewers, of course they are going to tune off. And when they start tuning off, you know, your money start declining, depreciating. The value of your channel will start going like this. And that is not what you want. Or is that what you want for yourself? It's not what you want, of course. I know you don't want that for yourself. So make sure whenever you want to start a video, or you want to come on YouTube like this, now you're already on YouTube. The next content you're about to record, sit down. Think of the problem that content is going to be solving. Okay, let's talk about this video now. This particular video you're watching, which problem is this video solving at the moment? It's solving that problem of inability to go viral on YouTube, your inability to get your content to people, to keep people on your channel on YouTube. I've been here for a very long time, and I only discovered this 5 months ago. And from that 5 months ago, my channel is able to attract 5,000 people. Is that, you see, I'm already missing my word. Is it not insane? All right, so make sure your content always solve a problem. Otherwise, you are going to be the only one watching your video. Now, people's attention span is very, very, very low. A research shows that average people now spend less than 10 minutes on videos online. So you see that YouTube is not stupid. And all of these social media platforms that are introducing this short platform, they are not stupid. They understand why they are doing that. People are no longer paying attention to longer videos. Not all kind of videos. If your video is solution-based video like this one, so many people are not going to pay attention to that video for a very long time. If you're not able to solve that problem in a very short time, people are going to tune off. Your followers will start like giving up on you because you're wasting their time telling them your life story. If you are solving problem, it's not the time to start telling them your problem, your life stories. Keep your life stories to yourself and focus on what the problem is. Solve it, and people will turn to become your money. That is how you become profitable on YouTube and go viral on YouTube. That is the third list, right? And your mood, the mood of your content, right? What is the mood of content? What is mood of content like? You see that this video, I'm talking to you, I'm excited, I'm confident, and I'm telling you that this is going to work. That is the mood of a content. You need to pour that energy in your content creation. You need to be engaging. You need to entertain them even while showing them solution. That is me leading myself to the next point now. It must be very entertaining while solving problem. A lot of people are now depressed. So many people are depressed with one or more problem. So you don't want to create more for them by boarding them with a whole lot of gibberish, I don't know, with a whole lot of anything you think. I don't want to use some words here, so this channel will not get taken. You know what I'm saying? So you must have entertain them, make them watch this video, let them smile while learning, right? Learning is not like maybe someone is whipping your back now. No. You are to learn with fun. Make sure your content is fun enough, entertaining, and is solution driven, time conscious, and then your hook is very top notch, and the problem your content is solving is very, very identical. Always look for a problem to solve. And the last one, if you tell them, promise them that the video is going to solve their computer lagging problem, make sure it solves that computer lagging problem. If you tell them that creating a very perfect and amazing hook is going to give them or going to keep their audience on their channel or on that particular video, make sure that particular video solves that problem. If it doesn't, they are not going to come back. If it's not solving that problem, please, my brother, they are going to come back to you next time. Of course, that is a fact. So make sure you solve the problem. Please solve the problem, and let your video not promise so much that it can solve. Promise only what you can solve. This is how far this content can go. A whole lot is going to be discussed on this channel. So make sure you subscribe to this amazing channel. And if you find this video helpful and informative or even confusing, please click here to watch more. By the time you watch this other video, I believe that you are going to understand what we are going to be talking about or what we are talking about here. So click here to watch more so that you will understand what we are talking about much more better. See you on the next video. My name is Solomon and this is Nexus TV. A bit. Bye-bye. Cheers.